Components in building decision support system, DSS. So first one is the database management system. What is DBMS? Database management system. So the decision support systems database is a software package that contains data from various sources, including internal data from the organization, the data generated by different applications, and the external data mined from the internet. So DBMS means what? It is nothing but a software package that consists of internal data from management, that is from the organization, or the data generated from the internet. The data or information is decision making is very important. The database system is responsible for data access and manipulates and manages internal as well as external stored data in databases. So next one is MMS, Model Management System. The model management system uses various kinds of mathematical and analytical models. Here models are used, maybe mathematical or analytical. So simulations to represent and analyze complex data, thereby producing the required information. So in this, statistical models are there, sensitivity analysis, optimization analysis models, forecasting models, backward analysis, sensitivity model. Next is user interface. So what is user interface? So it is interactive graphical interface which makes the interaction between the DSS and its users. It displays the results output of the analysis in various forms such as text, table, charts or graphics. The users can select the appropriate option to view the output according to his requirement. For example, would like to view comparative sales data in tabular form, whereas in architect creating a design plan would be more interested in viewing the result of analysis in a graphical format. So this is user interface. So what are the characteristics of DSS, decision support system? So an ideal decision support system should not be used to make automatic decisions. Instead, assist and encourage people in an effective decision making process. So must provide support for both individual and group of decision makers. Must present information to the customer in a way that is easy to understand. Must have the programming capability to generate many types of reports, all based on user specifications. Must include variant types of models. A good DSS should be able to respond quickly to the changing needs of decision makers. DSS must be intended for repeated routine use. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? So DSS supports both individual and group decision makers. So it helps to improve the accuracy, timeliness and quality. So it provides specific capabilities that support one or more tasks. So it enables a thorough quantitative analysis in a very short time. Data collection and model construction experimentation are executed with active users. So what are the limitations? So the building DSS is often very expensive. It is more costly and complex because people vary so much in terms of their personalities, knowledge and ability, preferences, the jobs they hold and the decisions. So it provides all information in the form of graphs, pictures and text. Therefore, even though DSS may quantify some of these aspects, the end results must be based on the own judgment of the decision maker. The computerized DSS may sometimes result in information overload, which is a major problem. Types of decision support system. What are the different types of DS? Communication driven DSS. So here typically communication driven DSS relies on hybrid network and electronic communication technologies. So to connect decision makers and to create an environment of resource and information sharing, collaboration and communication among a group of decision makers. Maybe the electronic mails, interactive videos, video conferencing, all this comes under communication driven DSS. Data driven DSS. The data driven DSS enables access to and manipulation of structured data and can handle time series of internal as well as external company data and real-time data. So data-driven DSS are separated by functionality. It is generally used to query a database or data warehouse to seek specific answers for specific purpose. Document driven DSS means your document driven DSS are more common, targeted at a broad base of user groups. The purpose of such DSS is to search web pages and find documents on a specific set of keywords or search terms. The usual technologies to set up such DSS are via the web or a client server system. Knowledge driven DSS. So these are computer based reasoning systems with the distinction that artificial intelligence technologies, management expert systems, data mining technologies, and communication mechanisms are integrated. Model driven DSS. Model driven DSS are complex systems that help analyze decisions or choose between different options. These are used by managers and staff members of a business or people who interact with the organization.